Want to turn heads without emptying your bank account? In 2025, there are some incredible cars that scream luxury, but secretly cost a whole lot less than they look.
Oh, really?
Whether you're trying to impress on a budget or just love great value, today we're counting down 5 cheap cars that'll make you look rich in 2025. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to 02 Dream, and let's dive in. Number 5. 2019 to 2021 Kia Stinger GT line. The Kia Stinger might have come from a brand known for economy cars, but this machine punches way above its weight. With its aggressive Audi-esque design, long hood, and fastback silhouette. Despite its mainstream brand name, the 2021 Kia Stinger offers the performance, features, and desirability to go up against the German sports sedan status quo. This 4-door cleverly disguises its hatchback and large trunk with a layout similar to that of the sleek Audi A5 Sportback and BMW 4 Series Grand Coupe. On the road, the Stinger is an athletic sedan with communicative steering, and one we enjoyed for a 40,000-mile long-term test, making it a great choice for driving enthusiasts. Engine and performance. The Stinger has 2 available engines, both of which can be had with either rear or all-wheel drive. The entry-level 2.0-liter powertrain does an adequate job relative to its rivals, but the powerful twin-turbo V6 delivers scintillating performance that gets our enthusiast blood pumping. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Whether you're looking at the 4-cylinder or the V6, the Stinger is less efficient than similarly equipped competitors. The EPA's fuel economy ratings for each of the Stinger's engines fall below those of comparable rivals. But the V6 outperformed its ratings on our real-world test, and there is virtually no fuel economy penalty for choosing all-wheel drive. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Stinger's interior is well-designed and attractive. Inside, you're getting premium leatherette, a wide touchscreen, and a cockpit that feels inspired by German engineering. While the Stinger's interior is free of glaring errors and omissions, the overall effect is less polished than the efforts we've enjoyed from established luxury brands. Pricing, it looks like it should cost $60,000. But guess what? You can pick up a used 2019 to 2021 Stinger GT line for under $22,000 in great condition. Number 4. Jaguar XE, 2018-2020. The Jaguar XE, particularly the 2018-2020 models, is a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, sporty, and engaging driving experience. It offers a blend of dynamic handling, advanced technology, and a luxurious interior, making it a strong contender in the compact sports sedan segment. Engine, transmission, and performance. The XE delivers outstanding body control over bumps and through corners, and provides a livable ride quality. An adaptive suspension with multiple firmness settings is offered, but it isn't as wholly excellent as the standard setup. The electric power steering delivers uncommon feedback from the front tires to the driver's hands, which is a major confidence booster when driving hard. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Jaguar's interior aesthetic is clean and modern with generally high-quality materials, which got even better with the 2020 updates, and is the perfect match for the XE's handsome exterior. The XE's dashboard boasts large, easy-to-read climate controls with standalone temperature readouts, fuel economy, and real-world MPG. The XE's entry-level 247 horsepower 4-cylinder engine is rated at 34 mpg on the highway, which stacks up well against the competition. However, we couldn't match that in our highway fuel economy test, where our all-wheel drive XE only achieved 31 mpg. Pricing. The Jaguar XE is a legit compact luxury sedan that once retailed for over $40,000, now going for under $20K on the used market. It's one of the most underrated luxury cars that still looks timeless in 2025. The interior? Soft leather, real aluminum trim, digital cluster, the works. Most people won't know you paid less than a new Honda Civic for it. Number 3. Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 2017-2019. Mercedes. The name alone turns heads. But the CLA 250 takes that status and makes it affordable. The Mercedes-Benz CLA 250, specifically the 2017-2019 models, offers a blend of sporty styling, engaging performance, and a relatively affordable entry point into the Mercedes-Benz brand. It's a good option for those seeking a stylish and fun-to-drive compact coupe or sedan with a touch of luxury. Fuel economy. The 2025 CLA gets good fuel economy estimates for a luxury small car. The front-wheel drive CLA 250 is rated at 26 mpg in city driving and 36 mpg on the highway, while the all-wheel drive model's estimates dip to 25/34 mpg city highway. Engaging performance. The 208 horsepower turbocharged engine provides a lively driving experience, and the dual-clutch transmission offers quick shifts. Standard features. Many standard features are included, such as dual-zone climate control, cruise control, a 7-inch infotainment screen, and more. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The CLA's interior blends hyper-modern design with classy touches. Pricing. It is affordable with a starting used price around $17,000. It still gives you that sloped coupe-like design, diamond-studded grille, and the iconic three-pointed star on the hood. And no one's guessing you bought it for the price of a used Corolla. Number 2. Audi A7, 2016 to 2018. The Audi A7 is the very definition of executive class. Long, wide, and low. The 2016-2018 Audi A7 is a compelling choice for those seeking a stylish, high-tech, and comfortable car, particularly on the used market. Its sleek, coupe-like design, combined with a spacious and well-appointed interior, makes it a desirable option. The A7 also boasts strong engine options, offering a blend of performance and efficiency. Engine, transmission, and performance. The A7 has a supercharged 3.0-liter V6 as its sole power producer. It's backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. These agents of acceleration can't propel the A7 from 0 to 60 miles per hour more quickly than its top rivals, but this large, refined, four-door hatchback is still eye-openingly fast. Audi made last year's performance-oriented competition model a standalone package. Interior, comfort, and cargo. A base A7 isn't a base model at all. Rather, it's loaded with standard features such as 4-zone climate control, heated front seats, and a power-tilting and telescoping steering wheel. The interior of the top-of-the-line A7 competition we tested was a luxurious cocoon, with standard amenities that included special rear bucket seats, leather-wrapped door armrests, and debonair black and red diamond-stitched seats. A head-up display is standard too, but its bulky housing creates an eyesore in an otherwise visually harmonious interior. A hatchback design that's unique for the class adds extra functionality to the A7's luxury meets sport vehicular equation, infotainment and connectivity. The Audi Connect MMI infotainment system in the A7 isn't as modern as the digital extravaganzas on display in rivals such as the Mercedes-AMG E43 and the Jaguar XF. Still, it's more responsive than many popular smartphones, and it features standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The standard 8.0-inch screen doesn't have touch function capability, which means fewer fingerprints but odd interactions with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pricing. It looks more like a $100,000 car. The hatchback design gives it that supercar profile, and the interior, German perfection. For under $25,000, you get features like a dual-screen layout, premium Bang & Olufsen audio, quattro all-wheel drive, and a 3.0-liter V6 with power to match its looks. Everyone thinks you're in something new and expensive, but your wallet knows the truth. Number 1. Maserati Ghibli, 2013 to 2015. Yes, you heard that right. A Maserati. The 2013 to 2015 Ghibli is one of the most affordable ways to park an exotic badge in your driveway. The 2013 to 2015 Maserati Ghibli offers a compelling blend of Italian luxury, performance, and relative affordability compared to other Maserati models, particularly in the used market. While it may not be as polished as some competitors, its distinctive styling, engaging driving experience, and the allure of the Maserati brand make it an attractive option for those seeking a unique and sporty sedan. Distinctive styling, the Ghibli boasts a sleek, sporty design that stands out from the crowd of mainstream luxury sedans. Engaging driving experience. It offers a lively driving experience, particularly in sport mode, with responsive steering and a lively exhaust note. Italian flair. The Ghibli exudes Italian craftsmanship and a sense of exclusivity that can be appealing. Interior. The Maserati Ghibli's interior is a study in contrasts. On one hand, you can order deluxe appointments like a two-tone leather dash, leather door armrests, and a suede-like headliner, while trimming the cabin in high-gloss wood, open-pore wood, or carbon fiber. On the other hand, many of the knobs, buttons, and tactile interfaces appear to come from the Chrysler shelves and feel more utilitarian than you'd like at this price. Parent automaker Fiat owns both Maserati and Chrysler. The 8.4-inch touchscreen display in particular traces a fairly direct line to the infotainment interfaces in the Dodge Charger and Jeep Grand Cherokee. Pricing. These cars have dropped dramatically in price, often available around $20,000. With Ferrari DNA under the hood, a twin-turbo V6, and that unmistakable Italian styling, this car oozes wealth and prestige. The best part? Most people don't know how far these prices have fallen. Disclaimer: Maserati maintenance can be pricey. But if you buy smart, you'll ride in luxury and still look like a boss. There you have it. 5 cheap cars in 2025 that'll make you look rich without breaking the bank. Which one would you choose? Drop your favorite in the comments below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more luxury on a budget content from Zero to Dream. We've got more dream cars, smart buys, and jaw-dropping rides coming your way.